Meaning of happen.
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 Happen. The word happen refers to an event or occurrence that takes place without any intention or planning. It can be used to describe a variety of situations, from the mundane to the extraordinary. When something happens, it is usually unexpected, and may have a significant impact on the people or objects involved. The result of something happening can vary greatly, from positive to negative, and can have a lasting effect on those affected by it. Whether it's a chance encounter, a sudden change in circumstance, or an unforeseen turn of events, when something happens, it can alter the course of our lives.